Hello everyone, we just left the cars at one campsite. I'm gonna write the name down because it's so hard to pronounce it. It's impossible for me in Welsh. So we found a campsite. Lovely person let us to park our cars over there for £5 per car, which is amazing price, I can say. And we are going beside of the river to Llyn Cau, next to Pennygather in Wales. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy the walk.
That lane goes something is left, not right. So is it this one or this one, cave there?
We just passed the car park. Lovely area. Some people are sunbathing, everybody's chilling and enjoying the weather. So we are in the beginning of the trail and let the difficult part begin now. Actually from here starts our journey. And this is the circular walk. Actually we're going here, Llyn Cau. We're gonna do our camp at this lake, next to this lake. So after the cafe we are following the right path and we are following Kader Idris. After you. And let's the steps begin. Here we go, the map for last time, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, actually this is the place where we're going. Lovely, isn't it? So let me get into the hike on these steep steps and hopefully I'll see you soon. Almost there, guys, almost there. Oh, I think we have around 10-15 minutes to the final destination, so I'll see you soon. I just don't have enough air in my lungs to walk, talk and being concentrated in this hot weather, so I'll see you in a bit. Good morning everyone. Here we are, welcoming the sun. It's gonna be amazing day again. I couldn't sleep very well last night, so that's the reason I couldn't catch the sunrise from the beginning, but it's still okay. Halfway up, we had campers around, so they were a little bit noisy until midnight, and after that from around half one in the morning it was very windy, so again it was not possible to sleep, but this is what it is. So now I'm gonna collect a little bit of sun power, and after that we're going to have a breakfast, so I'll see you soon.